The end mill bits suitable for side milling. End milling. Finish machining in carbon steel, alloy steel, die steel, tool steel, cast iron, and titanium. The edge of end mill bits is hard and sharp with TIAIN coating. Process the heat treatment materials with high speed. Reduce changing times and improve the production efficiency. U-shaped groove design. Large front angle effectively reduces cutting resistance. Sharp and durable. Convenient for chip removal. Further improved machining efficiency. High-speed steel. High hardness. Good wear resistance and durability.